Today we're going to be doing a quick pro and con list of the O-Cedar mop. This is a really fun mop because of its very unique design where you guys can actually spin the mop head to get rid of all the water whenever you guys are done rinsing. So
I'm gonna first go over the good of this, and then I'm gonna go over the bad of this O-Cedar mop. This is a great mop, it has a really cool design. The main attraction to it is this little spin mechanism right here, where you basically loosely hold this handle, you hit this a bunch with your foot, and it uses centripetal force.
Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between the spin mop and the joy mop. So first, let's clean up our big mess, see how each one does, and then we're gonna show you how each one operates. Okay, so the joy mop has the water and solution in this chamber. This is how we kind of get a bunch. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between these two spin mops. So the one on the left, the green one, is the Liberman. I'm also gonna be using it with the Fabuloso cleaning solution. On the left, the red one is the O-Cedar. Now these are both spin mops that now they spin. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this O-Cedar spin mop. So I've just taken everything out of the box. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now you have a handle, but we're gonna expand this handle. We're gonna attach this to it, and here's the mop head. So the first thing you're gonna do is